Hello. Welcome back to Keefe's Kitchen. This week, we're making stuffed mushrooms. All right, we're taking tiny little mushrooms. Well, not tiny. I mean, they're not that big, right? Tiny little mushrooms, and we're popping the stems out, and we're gonna make a mixture, a filling. All right, it's what you put in stuffed mushrooms. So making a filling of sautéed bacon and onions and garlic and the mushroom stems, because you never want to waste. All right, we're not about waste here in the Keefe household. You know, this is a no judgment zone, but food waste is something I will judge you for. Don't waste, okay? Anyway, and cheese. Now, I made a mistake. I made a couple of mistakes. Now, this was filmed in post. It's an intro, but I actually am filming it after I filmed everything else. Because I was so hungry, I couldn't wait. I just had to start cooking and then, But I made some mistakes this video. You'll see them. One of those mistakes is not having enough cream cheese to actually do a cream cheesy filling. So this is a non-cream cheesy filling. That's okay though. No judgment zone, right? I know I just contradicted myself and judged food wasters a minute ago, but we've moved past that. All right, no judgment zone again. So anyway, let's make some stuffed mushrooms.
All right, first things first, grab a pan, put it on the stove. Oh, and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now with that pan that we have put on the stove, grab some bacon. I have cubed up 5 slices of bacon, and you're gonna add that right in on medium-low heat. We're gonna cook that bacon for about 5 minutes to render the fat. We don't want it to get too crispy because then we're going to add in our onions, garlic, and mushrooms. Once your bacon is cooked for about 5 minutes, you'll see that the fat has started to render. It's not really getting crispy, but it is starting to cook through. We're going to add in 1 whole diced onion and 4 cloves of minced garlic. We're going to add those right in, and you're going to cook this for another 3 to 5 minutes at medium-low heat. And the goal here isn't to get anything super brown and toasty, but it's really just to get the flavors mixed together really nicely, and it'll prepare a really nice filling for our stuffed mushrooms. While the bacon, onion, garlic mixture is going, we're going to cook up some sausage. So grab a pan, put it on the stove, turn your heat on to medium, take a ½ pound of sausage, and I have breakfast sausage here, but you could use Italian sausage if you wanted, doesn't really matter. But take a ½ pound of sausage, and we're going to fry this until it's cooked just about through, and then we'll add it in to the mixture on the right. Once your sausage is cooked almost all the way through, take your pan that has the bacon mixture in it, and we're going to add in our chopped up mushroom stems, or stalks, or whatever they're called, I don't know. But this is about a cup-ish, and this is just whatever was left from the mushrooms that I destalked to get ready to stuff. And you don't want to waste them, okay? They're good flavor, and they fill out the material that we're stuffing with nicely, so it's not just all meat and onion. And once you've added that in and kind of stirred it through, we're going to add in the sausage right on top and let it cook for another 5-ish minutes. And the idea here is we're going to kind of cook down the mixture until it's not as watery. So we'll just add the sausage right in, and then we'll prepare our pan for the mushrooms. By now your oven should have preheated to 400 degrees, so take a baking sheet that can accommodate all of your mushroom caps, and we're going to grease it. Now I used butter in possibly the most awkward way imaginable. I used a fork. I really should have just picked it up. I wanted to keep my hands clean. I don't know, it turned into something real awkward and way more difficult. I could have just used oil. I don't know why I chose butter. It was just temporary madness, I tell you. Once you've buttered or oiled your pan, we're going to start stuffing the mushroom caps. So here I have 16 ounces of mushrooms. These are just regular white mushrooms. And here's that mixture that we had before. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a spoon and start putting the mixture right into the mushroom caps. Now I made a mistake here. I did bad. Okay, as you can see, my filling technique was not very good. I forgot, again, this was late at night. So I was hungry and tired, and I forgot to use my spoon to kind of hollow out the mushroom cap a little bit more. And that'll help a lot with making sure the mixture is, as you can see there, I'm kind of hollowing it out. It helps a lot with the mixture, making sure you get enough into the mushroom cap. And also, I realized I didn't have enough cream cheese. I really wanted to mix some cream cheese in with this, and that helps a lot with making sure the mixture stays in there because it binds everything together. You don't have little bits of bacon and sausage and things falling off. But anyway, we make it work, okay? And I absolutely cannot forget to top with Parmesan cheese. Now, this is a, I guess, optional step. But I recommend it. Topping it with some sort of cheese, especially since I didn't have any cream cheese because I have no sense of planning or forethought. So anyway, top it with your Parmesan cheese, and then we're going to pop it in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit to bake. After 20 minutes, take the mushrooms out of the oven, revel in their glory, and you're good to go.
They're done, right? Look. What do you think? All right, it's not really focusing, unfortunately, but they look pretty good. Now, despite all of my attempts to ruin this recipe, as you saw, I think it's gonna go great. So let's cut into it. They just came out of the oven, so I really don't feel like burning my face off. So I'm gonna cut into them. Oh, they are, okay, all right. I'm afraid, okay. Hang on. I gotta set it down on something. I was gonna cut it on my hand, but I knew I'm just gonna flip the plate or shoot, burning mushroom everywhere. So hang on. Okay. All right. I gotta bite. Okay. We're good. All right, here we go. There it is. Okay. Now, it's good, right? This is really good. The only thing I'm sad about is that I didn't have enough cream cheese to make a cream cheesy version of this, because I feel like that would have made it even better. But this is really good. It doesn't even need salt, anything else. I think the seasonings are really great. The onion and garlic and bacon. Bacon offered a ton of flavor, and so did the sausage as well. So I'm pretty happy with this, to be honest. All right. Again, for a recipe that I made mistakes on when I was making it, it turned out pretty good. So, I appreciate you not judging me in this no judgment zone. Okay, no judgment zone. And if you make them better than me, and then let me know that you made it better than me, and then we can all rejoice that you made it better than me and you had a better meal. Because if it's better than this, which is already great, then you're really doing well. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat this, and I have some soup that I'm gonna eat because it's a cold night and I'm pretty hungry. So that's been Keefe's Kitchen. I'll catch you next time.